Isn't Google great for finding solutions and answers to any problem? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make money just by using Google as a tool. You'll get a cut of the 1,600 offered by website I'm about to show you today. You can earn between $100 and $200 for a single Google search. Isn't that insane? Because this method is free, easy, and basic. I highly recommend watching all the way to the end of this tutorial to fully understand how it works. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To find out how to enter, stick around until the end of the video. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So the main website that we'll be using today is mindsumo.com. Keep in mind that we'll be using Google in conjunction with this website to generate a large sum of money that will be deposited directly into your accounts. As you can see, MindSumo has partnered with some of the world's most prestigious companies: Pepsi, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and many others have collaborated with them. So you know it's worthwhile because all of these companies, as you've seen, are among the largest in the world. Take a look at the amount of money that can be made. You can make up to $800, $1,000 to $1,600, and so on with just one simple search. There's a lot of money to be made here. The first thing you should do when you get on their homepage is to register. To do so, go to the Login and Sign Up section and click here. You can register for free right here. Your first and last names should be entered. Also, you should enter your nationality, email address, and one-of-a-kind password. You'll also need to enter your birth date and gender, as well as your skill area rates. You'll have to decide on your level of creativity skills, marketing abilities, and technical skills. This is optional. However, I strongly advise you to choose higher proficiency in your skill areas because it will increase your chances of earning more money. After that, you may simply ignore the first 3 boxes at the bottom of the sign-up page. However, to accept their terms and conditions, as well as their privacy policy, you'll need to check the last 3 boxes. After that, simply click I'm not a robot and sign up, and your mindsumo.com account will be created. Once you've logged into your account and scroll down a little bit, you'll see all of these different challenges, questions, and projects that you may respond to. You can make money just by participating in those activities. As you can see from their pricing, they pay anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars, as you've seen before. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a list of several categories from which you can choose. As a result, there will be no shortage of money to be made on this website, as new questions, projects, and challenges will be posted every day. Let me now show you several projects. For example, if I open this one over here, you'll be able to see how much money people have made just from this challenge. The total budget is $800, as you can see at the top, and there were more than 100 answers. The top 100 people share $50 in revenue. So, if you're in top spot, you'll be able to make $50 only from this case alone, and you're just getting started. Keep in mind that this one only has $800 budget, but some of them have budgets in the thousands of dollars. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now to remind you, just stay tuned until the end of the video in order to know the exact steps to winning that $50 gift card giveaway. But for now, it's time to get back into this tutorial and continue making money. Anyway, I'd like you to return to this page and choose from the remaining categories. For example, if the project is computer science, you can choose any of these items and complete the project. After you click on the project, you'll see that they'll ask you a question right on the headline, which is the major question we need to answer. If you answer these questions correctly, you'll be entered to a win portion of the $1,600 prize pool. You may now be wondering how to respond to these questions effectively. Here's where the Google trick comes in handy. All you have to do now is copy and paste this question. Then go to google.com and type the query into the search box. As most of you are aware, Google provides a wide range of solutions to any problem. So that be our strategy for today. So once you've found the query in the search bar, you can read through all of these articles to see if any of them include the greatest response for that topic on the prior platform. For example, you open this one and see if the supplied problem has a solution. To go back to MindSumo, you can see the question stated, "Can you enhance the way Canada delivers weather information?" Once more. As you can see from this article, this is the exact response we needed. This article demonstrates some of the most effective strategies for improving weather communication in Canada. When you finish reading this post, you'll notice that it seems like a professional response, and it almost likely be selected as one of the finest responses to the specific subject on mindsumo.com. Isn't it amazing how simple it was? I just copied and pasted the questions from MindSumo onto Google. You may now have the answer and a chance to win first place in the problem-solving activity after your search. We aren't done yet though. Next, you'll need to add a few words to your answer. Please proceed to Google Docs for the next step. docsgoogle.com is the website's URL. Now, you must select blank. Return to the article after that and copy and paste some of the answers from there into this box. Keep in mind that the longer, more logical explanation you submit, the better chances of earning the top slot among the answers. Of course, you can now add any additional relevant materials from other articles and paste the answers into this page, if you wish. Your text appearance can also be changed. To emphasize something, you can adjust the font and the colors. It's completely adaptable and simple to use. When you're done, simply click File in the upper left corner of the screen, then Download to save this page as a PDF document. After you've saved that PDF document on your device, it will look like this when you open that document. This appears to be rather professional, and once you've downloaded it into your computer, simply return to MindSumo's project and enter your response. After that, you'll be able to advance a step farther and gain the top answer, as well as the top slot in the $1,600 prize pool. For this project, you will have the opportunity to earn $30, $50, $100, or even $200 for an absolutely free and easy strategy. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift cards giveaways. You just need to make sure you've subscribed and are actively leaving a like and a comment on every video so that I can give rewards to those who I monitor that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.